Look at this aircraft. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, look at the tires. Highlander. All right. You can see all inside the gears. What a nice plane. All right. Isn't that something? Look at that. It's got all the little light things and stuff. Ooh. That's nice. United States Marine Corps. All right. It's a pretty nice plane.
She wouldn't be bad. Huh? She wouldn't be bad, little Toady.
Ooh, and look at this. The Spirit of Freedom. Sky Ranger. Isn't that beautiful? Ooh. Look at that. See the whole inside here. Really nice. Look at that. Go right in underneath here. Wayne's wings. Cool. Alright. This is really nice. Yeah, get to see it all. There we go.